Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice easy and tasty. Use day-old rice and break up any clumps with your fingers or a fork before cooking. Heat a wide pan until very hot, add oil, and sear aromatics first to build flavor. Work in small batches so the pan stays hot and the rice fries rather than steams for the best texture. Start by heating oil until shimmering, then add garlic, ginger, and white parts of scallions to bloom their flavors. Toss in protein like shrimp, chicken, or tofu that's already cooked through so it reheats quickly. Add vegetables that hold up to high heat, then push everything to the side to scramble eggs in the center. Finish by mixing rice, sauces, and green scallion tops for a bright, savory finish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof containers for storing day-old rice and packed lunches because they seal tight and prevent spills while keeping food fresh, which makes meal prep so much easier. They stack neatly in the fridge and save time on busy weeknights. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the pan very hot and avoid overcrowding to ensure rapid frying and a little char for depth. Use neutral oil with a high smoke point and add sauces sparingly to prevent sogginess. Toss or stir constantly in quick motions so each grain gets exposed to heat, and adjust salt at the end to taste. Serve immediately to enjoy crisp edges and fluffy interiors for the perfect fried rice experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.